Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up a box. They're not really hobby boxes, but it's an online exclusive box of 2020 Ginter X. And I have not been able to buy these online for the last like 3 or 4 years because they sell out so quick. And I usually wait a few months and then pick one up off eBay. And so that's what I had to do this time. But really cool stuff. All the cards are black bordered cards. And I like to save some packs for my sealed pack collection. So hopefully we find an autograph before I run out of packs in this box. So this goes like that. Really cool little set here. Let's see. Let's just start opening, and then when we find the auto, I'll save my packs. I like to keep 4 packs of every Allen Ginter set just for my little sealed pack collection. And probably won't buy another box of this because it's kind of pricey. So that's what the packs look like. Get a look at the pack odds. There they are. You should get one autograph in a box of these, so hopefully we hit one. Alright, so here's what we got. We got Aaron Nola. It's not really black border though, this time it's like just a dark gray border. We got John Smoltz, Lou Gehrig, Albert Pujols. The backs of the cards look the same. We got Kerry Wood. Now that one's more of a black border. Oh, a mini. There's a good chance you have a low-numbered mini in here as well. So there's Roger Clemens, Evan Longoria, Vlad Sr. So we got Ernie Banks, Jack Flaherty, Randy Johnson, Ryan McMahon, Colton Wong. We got Jose Barrios mini, Didi Gregorius, and Francisco Lindor. So hopefully we get some of the rookies too. We got Cody Bellinger, Trevor Story, Tom Glavine, Hunter Pence, Barry Zito. We got Nia Houston, CJ Cron, and Tim Lincecum. There's a mini on the back of this pack. Teft. So we got Joe Mauer, Willie Mays, George Brett, Baseball Britt, Tony Perez, Hunter Harvey, Manny Machado. I'm going to go ahead and set some packs aside now so I don't get too deep and then forget about my packs. Alright, next one. Alright, so we got Tommy La Stella, Juan Soto, that's the neat one. Let's see, it's Marcell Ozuna, Austin Riley. We got Braves pack here. Maglio Ordonez. Yeah, that's a short print. We got Julian Edwards, Dye, and Dakota Hudson. I got Paul Molitor, Calvin Biggio, Yadier Molina, Mercado, Honus Wagner, Elvis Andrus Mini, Nelly Cruz, Chipper Jones. Okay, this one we got, I think we hit our auto, so that's awesome. Yeah, there's a frame mini card in here. So we got Berto Clemente, R.L. Stein, Clayton Kershaw. I'm going to set this over here. So this worked out perfect. I get my sealed packs, and we found the auto. Jesus Luzardo, and the Juice, and Jose Canseco. No mini in that pack. Ramon Laureano, Marcus Semien, Andrelton Simmons. We got Isan Diaz, Mo Vaughn, Houston, and Zach Greinke. I don't think we've hit one rookie yet. So hopefully we'll hit some rookies here. Kyle Schwarber, Johnny Bench, Max Muncy, got Ken Griffey Jr. That's a nice mini. Lucas Giolotto, Tommy Lasorda, Nyquist, and there's a rookie, Aristides Aquino. Maybe I missed one because it's kind of hard to see that rookie card symbol down there. We got Steve Carlton. We've got John Means. So we got an extra mini in this one. So the one pack we were missing a mini, now we got an extra one in this pack. Joey Votto, Rod Carew, Tim Raines mini, Andres Munoz, Noah Emmerich, Bryce Harper. Alright, we got Mookie, we got Escobar, Walker Buehler, Roberto Alomar, Josh Donaldson, Aaron Judge mini, Nomar Mazara, Willie Stargell. It feels like we have two minis in this pack too. Corey Seager, Nolan Ryan, Jose Barrios, Hank Aaron, Kenny Lofton. Yep, two minis. Carter Kaboom and Lou Gehrig. We got Gaines and Bob Gibson. 2 packs left. There's a rookie, Gavin Lux, Jeff Bagwell, Max Fried, Ronald Acuna, Earl Weaver, Aroldis Chapman, Austin Meadows, Harmon Killebrew. And the last pack. Ozzie Albies, Aaron Judge, Larry Doby, Zach Gallen rookie, Brandon Lowe. I think that's Brandon, yeah. Dan Vogelbach, Lasek, and Ryan Braun. There's an empty box. So, now let's see who we hit for our autograph. I think you have better chances of getting some of the rare autos in sets like this. So, let's look from the bottom. Well, this is the back side. So, let's get this Ryan Braun, flip it. Okay. Ooh, 1 out of 5 on the auto. Top certified autograph. That looks like Bryce Harper. Yeah, Bryce Harper. Very cool. Gold ink Bryce Harper autograph. 1 out of 5. That is very nice. Very happy with that. That's only the second Bryce Harper autograph I've ever gotten in my collection. One of them I bought a redemption for the other one. So, very cool. That's definitely going in the PC. Very sweet autograph hit. Plus, I get my packs for my collection, so it all worked out great. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.